live after a very long time. Hi Ishan. Hi Himu. Hi Sahil. Hi Jasmine Forever. Hi guys. Hi Himu. Hi Misri. Hi. How are you guys? So finally live after a very long time, and it's superb. Hello. Hi Khushi. Hi Vivek Gupta. Hi Deep Sandhu, how are you? Hi Jaza. Hi Susmit. Hi Pradhan. Hi Ganesh, how are you? Hello. Thank you Rushal, thank you so much. How are you? Long time. What's happening? Hi Dolly. Hi Manshi Rana, how are you? Hello Anika. Thank you so much Princess Malik 278. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your birthday wishes, for all the birthday love. I'm yet to check the edits, but they're superb, and you're 16 point something K already. Sudesh sir, happy birthday ji! Thank you sir, thank you so much. How are you? कैसे हो आप? क्या हुआ बर्थडे में? आई हैवंट बीन एबल टू सेलिब्रेट इट, बट इट्स जस्ट मी मॉम डैड, बस हम सभी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं बर्थडे. हाय प्रज्वल. हाय केर सिंह. हाय चांदनी. थैंक यू सो मच तास्मिया, यू लुकिंग सो प्रिटी. थैंक यू. We love you a lot. We love you too. I love you too. I mean, we missed you in today's session, Dhruv. Thank you, Reshma Chaubhari. Hi, Yansu. Thank you, Dilpreet Singh Rajput. Hi, Nisha. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all the birthday love. Foramdi! How are you? Thank you. Lots of love. Thank you, Gursimar. Thank you, Rupal. तो इतनी सुंदर है, मैं क्या करूँ? रिश्ता, रुश बेबी, how are you? How's everything? Your smile is so cute. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. You're looking so pretty. Thank you, guys. Love you loads. मैं अच्छा, आप भी ध्यान रखो और मम्मा पापा को नमस्ते बोलना मेरी. जल्दी मिलते हैं. डेफिनेटली सुदेश सर, जल्दी मिलते हैं. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द विशेस. आप भी ध्यान रखो अपना. हाय सोहक. हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे. थैंक यू guys. Thank you. Oh god, this is so overwhelming seeing all your love pouring in. Thank you so much guys. I love you all. Thank you Priyanka Khandelwal. Hi Hiral. Thank you Nisha Dadhich. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you Abza. Hi, you're so cute. Thank you. Hi. Okay guys, any question you all want to ask me, you definitely can. I would love to answer them. Hi Guddu, how are you? Happy birthday. Thank you so much there. Cutie pie. Thank you. Happy birthday cutie. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the lovely birthday wishes. Lots of love to all of you. Happy birthday. Thank you. Next project. So next project, there are some music albums coming up. Then Perfume is also coming up. So I'll let you guys know the date very, very soon. Hi Manish. Hi Killer Tejas. Oh, Killer Tejas. Damn, that username. Where are you right now? I'm in a hotel room with my mom, dad, and we're kind of taking all our precautions and celebrating our birthday. My birthday. My baby is 17. Oh yes, your baby is 17, Trish. Love your birthday look, especially the hairstyle. Thank you. That's the hairstyle. Hi Solunga. Hi Pallavi. Thank you guys. Thank you. I hope you're all safe as well. मैं भी अपने सारे precautions ले रही हूँ and yeah, just following all the guidelines. Nobody else, just me, mom, dad. That's how I'm celebrating my 17th, because last year when I celebrated my 16th, it was like a hardcore lockdown. So I celebrated it with the COVID warriors, the watchmen of my society. मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ? Hi Afra. Hi Sajid. Hi Aarti. Happy birthday. Thank you. Next TV serial. अभी तो TV से थोड़ा सा break लिया है. I'll be visible in some short-term projects like music albums, web series. So that's coming. You look so beautiful, Ashnurdi. Thank you, Drish. 6995. Hi, Gurleen. Hi, Mama is just in the other room and she's joined my live. Amazing. Thank you, Shebab. Hi, Sarabjeet. How are you? Happy birthday. Thank you. Thanks, Janvi. Hi Rahul. Hi Shikha. क्या बात है, आप छोटे से थे जब मैंने आपको देखा था वायर के कैच में. ओ यस, टाइम भी तो इतना हो गया उसे. इट्स बीन लाइक व्हाट 5-6 years. हाय गाइज हु आर सेइंग हाय टू मी. वाह, मम्मा की अलग कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है यहाँ पर. हाय तनिष्का, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? Happy birthday to you, Ashnur. Thank you. You're looking so cute. Thank you so much. Stand up and show your full dress, please. I'll do that at the end of the live. Chalo, let me show it to you. Sorry. That's the entire dress. You look so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to the sweetest. Thank you. Happy birthday, cutie. Lockdown hai. Your birthday party is cancelled. Oh yes, birthday party is cancelled. But trying to make the best out of the limited things we can do. Taking all the precautions, obviously. Your favorite color? So currently I'm wearing black. That's why black is my favorite for the day. Hi Priyanshi. Hi Aman Singh Rajput. Hi Ishika, how are you? Snow White. Oh, thank you. Hi Shri Sati. Happiest birthday. Thank you Dharti. You look adorable. Thank you Praju. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to the most kind soul. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kaur Nani. क्या क्या गिफ्ट मिला? तो मम्मा पापा का जो गिफ्ट है दैट्स ऑन द वे. बाकी मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, ही गिफ्टेड मी लाइक क्वाइट सम थिंग्स, ऑल माई फेवरेट स्टफ. तो वो गिफ्ट मिला भी. बाकी तो ऑब्वियसली लॉकडाउन है तो नोबडी कुड कम ओवर, बट आई एम श्योर लॉकडाउन है तो सबसे I'll take it. Hi Aman. Hi Vipari 2225. Happy birthday, doll. Thank you, Manya. You're looking awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Rushi Poker. Please save this live. Snow Beauty Aisha. For sure, I will. Wish you a very, very happiest birthday. May you always stay happy. Thank you so much, Master of something went up. पार्टी है ना आज तो कहाँ पार्टी है नो पार्टी टुडे जस्ट मी मॉम डैड तो और कुछ नहीं मामा come you look pretty guys say hi to mama hello Hi Janvi, thank you. Okay guys, just 1 second. Have you done your makeup? You can say that, kind of. Special day है तो नहीं बुलाया था but take all the precaution. Happy birthday! Thank you, Astha. Hi, Sahil. अच्छा. Hi, Pasi. Mama! I love that Mama photo bombs my life. Hi, Ritik, Lo, Ani. अच्छे लग रहे हो, thank you. Hello, Didi, safe. Yeah, you too safe. Happy birthday, Ashnu. Thank you, Dev. How are you? What's happening? What's up? Happy birthday, Ashnu. Thank you, Rupin. How are you? What's happening? नूरब, hello. कौन से फ्लेवर का अरे मैंने तो इतने कट कर लिया मेरे पहले आई कट 4 cakes like last night and wait I'll just take a screenshot with 17.8K lovely मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ मैं क्या करूँ पापा कम से हाय इन द लाइव you ready you look hi half ready come down guys say hi say hi So we're just celebrating a lockdown birthday and we're all taking our precautions. It's just me, mom, dad. Huh? Mm-hmm. So yeah, lockdown birthday special. Dave is wishing all great, just enjoying the lockdown vibes. That's great. Are you at the...
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Take care.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Dave, are you in a condition to like join the live? Just let me know. Hi Raju. Hi Sahil. Hi Shreya. Please एक बार. Husaina Jasmine. Hello. Uncle is the cutest. Oh, he is. कहाँ से हुआ आपने? Born Delhi में हुई हो, brought up in Mumbai. How is your lockdown going? Lockdown is going kind of good, but obviously we're all staying at our home and stuff, so trying to kind of remain sane during these tough times. Please save the live. I will. Minil Diaries. Hello, how are you? Rupali. Hi, Rupali. Hello, Noora. I like the name, Noora. Thank you for the new name. Hi, Sahil Sharma. Hi, Angel Gupta 123. Hi, Charana. Hi, Sachi. How are you doing? Hi, Ashnoor 838. How are you? Looking superb. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Ashnoor. Thank you for the lovely return gift. Oh, it was my pleasure. Hi, Vanshika. Hi Harvinder. Hi Ashreen. Hi Fazil. Hi Monica. Hi Nisha Soni. Hi Bhumika Rathod. Hi, 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 hello. Hi Anushri. Hi Aarti. So what's happening, guys? What's happening? How's your lockdown going? I like your behavior so much. Thank you, Anjali. It's very sweet of you. So what's happening, guys? How are you doing? I am getting birthday wishes still. I haven't been able to check any of them. I'm so sorry about that, but I'll surely be checking them out. All your love, all your wishes. I'm yet to go through everything. Happy birthday, Shnur. आप इतनी सुंदर है, हम क्या करें? Thank you so much. Hi, Monalika. Hi, Anirban Chatterjee. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you for all the wishes. Thank you, guys. I love you all a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot. लाइव क्लियर नहीं है आपके इंटरनेट में प्रॉब्लम है मैं तो वाईफाई पर हूँ एंड इट्स लाइक फुल नेटवर्क हाय काजल हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्यूटीफुल लेडी थैंक यू आप मैसेज क्यों नहीं सीन करते जी हाय सचिन सोनी अभी तो किया मैसेज मैंने सीन हाय साहिल हाय रेखा हाय सुनीता हाय छोटी नाहिरा हेलो Call read gorgeous. Thank you so much. You can drop dead. Thank you. Hi Muskan. Happy birthday, dear. Thank you. Ram Parkash. Your hairstyle is amazing. Oh, thank you. Crazy girl 4521. Hi. Hi Pari underscore fan page 1. Happy birthday, Shnu. Thank you. Hi. Okay, let's see who all are here. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. Today you're looking like a princess. Thank you. Hi, Anil Kumar. Enjoy your birthday. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm just going through your messages. Thank you so much, Harshita. You had a very sweet message. आपकी सारी तमन्नाएं पूरी हो. Thank you so much. Hi, Vidhan. Hi, Saad Maniar. How are you? Hi, Sheikh. Should I add someone? Let's see. Hi, Deepa. Hi, Akanksha. Hi, Feza. How are you? Hi, Shalusi. Hi, Suhani. Thank you. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Rudrani. How are you doing? Hey, Reem. How are you, baby? What's happening? Cookie? Been so long since we've met, yeah. You're so pretty. Thank you. Hi, Srimati. Stay safe and enjoy your life. Thank you. You too. Solsha. Hi, Sieda. How are you doing? Hi, Tiwari. Hi, Shikansh. You're looking like a princess. Thank you, Nandini. Reem, are you like in a condition to come live with me? Just let. Okay, guys, should I add someone? What do you say? Should I be like adding someone? Is Dream still here or has Dream left? Let's check. I'm waiting for your reply. Hi Tino, how are you? Hi Harsha, how are you? How's everything? Jannat is not here in the live, I guess, so I can't add her. Just let me know if you guys can see her. Happy birthday, God bless you. Sorry, babe, can't join right now. Stay safe. Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much. कोई नहीं, I understand. मुझे लगा ही था क्योंकि घर पे हम सभी वैसे बैठते हैं, so that's okay. But thank you for the wish. Lots of love. Tell us something about your upcoming project. So, Parihum is gonna come up, and it's a very nice, inspiring story. So you'll love to watch that, and I'll let you know the release date very, very soon. Happy birthday to you! Thank you. How old are you? Hi, Akshada. Hi, Sandhya Bagle. You too, stay safe. Thank you. Happy Wala birthday, my favorite. Thank you, Dolly. Happy birthday, Shnu. Thank you, Imani. Hi, Tanishk. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Angel. You so love you. Thank you, Emma. Hi, Nirmal. सब्जेक्ट बता दो कौन से रख लेंगे मैं आई हैव टेकन कॉमर्स मैंने कॉमर्स लिया है सो आई एम अ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट सो आई हैव अकाउंट्स बीएसटी इंग्लिश इकोनॉमिक्स एंड पीई हाय राजपूत राहुल enjoy your day slowly thank you Nidhi Shetty happy birthday thank you happy birthday happy birthday thank you guys thank you so much for all the love all the wishes you guys have been showering on me it means a lot so thank you so much for always giving so much love and showing so much support always every time it genuinely means a lot to me and lots of love to all of you hi Virat happy birthday Shnu. Thank you Malini hi Nasir Hussain happy birthday thank you oops hi it's Tabriz hi Gayu hi Simran how are you doing Mama full bombing my life again mute me thank you Tusha thank you Zainab hi hello okay guys one more important thing before we just carry on with the rest of the life first of all I would want to thank you all आप लोगों ने जो प्रे किया है अनिरुद्ध भैया के लिए all your well wishes they are working because अनिरुद्ध भैया is improving he was in the ICU so I hope कि हम ऐसे ही उनके लिए प्रे करते रहें क्योंकि प्रेयर्स जरूर सुनी जाती हैं and they are listened by the one at the top so let's just keep praying for him कि वो जल्दी जल्दी ठीक होकर वापस घर आ सके very soon and I'm sure he'll bounce back with greater rigor, greater energy and all we have to do is and all we can do is keep praying for him all the time. So Anirudh Bhaiya, you are very strong and we know you will battle this as well and you'll bounce. Oh, Minnie Chachi is here. Hi, Mini Chachi. How are you doing? Hi, Shruti. Mama, photo bombing again. Mama, 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 mama. Mama, photo bombing the live again. हैप्पी बर्थडे है तो आपको कुछ चाहिए? ओ मेरा गिफ्ट आ रहा है वैसे, वो एक्चुअली टाइम पे मिल नहीं पाया, बट वी गोना ऐड, आई एम गोना गेट माय गिफ्ट वेरी वेरी सून. Please, Noor, wish my 12th boards all the best for your 12th boards. Best wishes and may you rock and succeed. Hi, Arjun. Hi, Isha. How are you doing? Happy birthday to you, Didi. Thank you. Guys, should I add someone? Who should I add? इसको ऐड करूँ. Happy birthday, God bless. Thank you, Shaheen. Shabina, sorry. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So anything that you want to ask me, I would love to answer since it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And these are the lockdown side effects. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, Ashi. Thank you, Hasnain Ashnoor FC. Let me add someone. Where is Auntie? Auntie just went. Your favorite part just went. Yeah, you're late. What is this, Amay? What man?
No.
Happy birthday, Asnoor.
Happy birthday.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday,
Thank you.
Asnoor.
Thank you
Happy
so
birthday,
much.
Asnoor.
आवाज आ रही है अस्नोर?
कितनी बहन है आपकी?
हेलो.
Yes,
आप आज बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो. You looking so cute.
वेट आवाज कम आ रही है.
Thank you
You
so
looking
much.
so cute, Asnoor.
Thank
Happy
you so
birthday
much.
again.
Thank you.
चलो साथ में बोलो एक बार
Thank you.
जो
हैप्पी.
कोई हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलोगे, सॉरी थैंक यू बोलोगे, हमें नहीं बोलोगे थैंक यू. कोई बोला हम तो नाराज हो गए.
Thank you guys. Thank you for your
बोलो हैप्पी
wishes
बर्थडे.
and all the love.
Happy birthday, Ashnoor.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. कैसे हैं घर
थैंक
पे
यू फॉर
सब?
जॉइनिंग.
ठीक है?
आपका बर्थडे का डे कैसा?
नेटवर्क में कुछ इशू हो रहा है.
आपका बर्थडे का डे कैसा रहा आज?
बर्थडे अच्छा गया. इट वाज जस्ट मी, मॉम, डैड. तो हमने तो मतलब घर पे ही सेलिब्रेट किया जैसे, बट जितना भी हम सेलिब्रेट कर पाए अकेले रह के वो बहुत अच्छा गया.
पिछली बार ऐसे में बहुत सारे केक कट किए थे आप.
बोला है ना.
सॉरी.
थैंक यू सबको थैंक यू इतनी बार बोल दिया.
थैंक यू अस्नोर फॉर योर स्ट्रेंथ वाला मैसेज. थैंक यू, वो स्ट्रेंथ वाला मैसेज. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Take
you.
care. Bye bye. See you.
ओके बाय.
बाय बाय.
थैंक यू फॉर इट.
Bye bye.
बाय. चलो बाय करो.
Bye bye. See you. Okay, where is Amay Pandya? Why? Main account? I can't add your private account, na? Happy birthday to your smoker. Thanks, man. Who else should I add? Hi, Asif.
Hi, Ashnoor.
Hi.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much कि आप लाइव लेके आए मेरे साथ.
Oh, not a problem. I just saw your call.
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आई हूँ आपके साथ लाइव.
जी, yes.
Thank you so much and wish you a very happy birthday.
Thank you so much. How's everything at
Can I have one screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
Just 2 minutes.
No problem. Take your time.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
done?
Thank you so much for coming live with me.
All right. How-
Yes.
It's okay. How's everything at
Yes,
your
ma'am.
home? Everybody safe? Corona के से सब safe है ना? अब ध्यान
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That's
Ashnu,
great.
your voice
Stay
is cutting
safe
down.
and take care. Thank you for your. I guess
Thank you so
there's some
much.
network problem because you are a bit blurry. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oh, thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Yes, yes. I will save this live, guys. My love, you have to leave yourself. I
I'm
don't have
not
an
able
option
to play.
actually. वो जो साइड में क्रॉस है ना, the upper right corner, that cross you have to, yeah. Done. Hi Pratima. Rohan bhaiya. Hi Sagar Shiv. Hi Abhishek Rawat. Hi Priyanka. Hi Sumit Shashank. Hi Azhar. Hi Sarthu. Please check my edit. Surely I will do that. Hi Sani. Hi Hiral Mystery. Hi Mushran. Hi Faridhi. Hi Manvi. Arya. Ron Bhaiya, can you come live with me? Shall I add you? Please take my name. Anshika Shroff. Hi Anshika. Hi Manpreet Kaur 0183. Hi Kitty Sahu. Hi, I am Arima. Hi Gayatri. Hello.
हेलो.
Hi, how are you?
हम अच्छे हैं, आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ.
थैंक यू सो मच, आपने मुझे लाइव लिया.
You're welcome, you're welcome. कहाँ से
हैप्पी
आप?
बर्थडे.
Thank you, thank you.
कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, मैं एकदम बढ़िया. आप बताओ. How's everything?
थैंक यू सो मच, मैं आपको लाइव देख रही हूँ.
Thank you, thank you. कहाँ से हो
मैंने
आप?
स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले लिया.
हाँ, ले लो, आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
हम हरियाणा से हैं.
आप हरियाणा से हो? Okay, that's great. Good, good, good.
वहां पे तो सब कुछ बंद होगा ना?
हाँ, ऑलमोस्ट सब कुछ बंद ही है. सिर्फ एसेंशियल सर्विसेज एंड कुछ चीजें ही ओपन है. So that's what it
तो
is.
आप कैसे मना रहे हो अपना बर्थडे?
बस मैं और मॉम डैड के साथ ही मना रही हूँ. ज्यादा कुछ तो कर नहीं पाई ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन. बस यही चल रहा है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच
मैं
फॉर
आपसे
ज्वाइनिंग.
बहुत बड़ी हूँ लेकिन मुझे आप बहुत
शायद
क्यूट लगते हो.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
आप जब छोटे से देखते हैं ना
थैंक
वो
यू
नायरा वाले सीरियल में,
जी जी.
आप बहुत क्यूट हो. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. बाय.
बाय बाय.
Hi guys. Hi Shrivastava. Hi, Preeti Agarwal. Hi, Ankita. How are you? Hi, Midhun.
हाय
Hi.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Thank you so much.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी
Thank
फैन
you. Thank you so much. And आप कहाँ से हो? कितने इयर्स के हो? Okay, okay, okay. तो कुछ पूछना है आपको? ठीक है. Okay. Thank you for the love. Thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.
आप बहुत क्यूट दिख रहे हैं
आपको वो ऊपर से लीव करना पड़ेगा for that one video. वो जो ऊपर क्रॉस है ना, आप वो प्रेस कर दो. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. I had a great time interacting with you guys. And thank you for all the love. Lots of love back to you guys. Love you loads. And stay safe. Take your precautions even I'm celebrating my birthday with precautions. And thank you so much for joining the live. Ta-da! See you.